So I have a report over here which has some data cards and some visuals, but when I select a value which has no data, we get a blank over here in the data card. So we don't want to see this blank, and we can see that the other data cards have gone like it's like no values are shown. The values are, we can say it is invisible. So we want this card to be shown similar to this one. We want the value to be invisible when it is blank. So what we need to do is we need to click on the data card. Then we can go to the visualizations panel, and we can go to the call out value. Over here we can see the color is shown as black. So what we want is that when this blank value is coming, we want it to be yellow, the background color. We want it to be the background color. So there is an FX option over here, so that is conditional formatting. So we need to click on that one. So it will show us this window. So over here it will show us the formatting style. So that is selected as gradient over here. You need to change it to rules. So by rules, we are just going to state that okay, when they'll ask us for the field. So when this field in the summarization is giving these values, we want it to be this color, and when the rules are different, we get different colors. So let me show you an example. Right now, it is showing me the count of issue ID. So that's the value that we are showing here. So summarization is count, so that is fine. So we have one rule over here: if value is greater than or equal to the minimum, and it is less than this will be the maximum. So if I just backspace that, it will be shown as max. Then we can select a color, right? So we need two colors. So first one is when it is blank. So we have an option. So when it is blank, we need it to be the background color. So the color that I want is not shown over here. So I'll go to more colors, and I'll type in the hex. So FFE600 is the color that I'm using for the background. So if it is blank, it should be this. Otherwise, I will give it as minimum as 0, and then we'll give it as OK. And we can see that the value has disappeared. Let me take some other data. So you can see it is populating, it's becoming black. But when we are selecting something that has no values inside, it is shown as completely invisible. So this is the way that you can do this. So if you're looking for something like when you're selecting something that has no data, instead of showing an invisible value like this one, you want to show it as 0. I have another video for that. So just I'll add a link over here so you can click on that and you can see that video. Thank you for watching.